Welcome to the Insight Robotics presentation for IBM SmartCamp China 2014. Insight Robotics is a technology company safeguarding natural resources and critical infrastructure with intelligent disaster detection. Damage due to natural resources and critical infrastructure is escalating in intensity from hard-to-detect sources such as wildfires, pest infestations, drought, or structural damage. Insight Robotics uses automation to give early-stage intelligence on the state of natural resources and critical infrastructure, so stakeholders can intuitively respond based on real-time data. Insight Robotics was established following a spin-off from the Intelligent Systems Laboratory at the University of Hong Kong in 2009. Our forest fire detection technology is selling quickly in China, and we are on track to sell $5 million this year, our first year of sales. Part of what makes our product different is that we have 3 patent-pending technologies that are disrupting the industry with more sophisticated and affordable solutions. Forest fires cost us billions of dollars each year through destruction of natural and urban resources, economic disruption, and firefighting, not to mention lives lost. The key to effective forest fire monitoring is detecting a fire when it is small. The sooner a fire can be suppressed, the less damage it can do. Previous technologies like manned watchtowers, CCTV, satellite infrared sensing systems, and automatic smoke detectors have inherent performance flaws, not to mention cost and system maintenance prohibitions. Our customers are the people responsible for managing large forested areas, particularly forest that is near to high-value natural resources, people, and infrastructure. These are government agencies, both at the federal and provincial levels, and private companies that manage their own forests or on behalf of others. The Insight Computer Vision Wildfire Detection System is comprised of autonomous fire detection robots, sometimes called unmanned watchtowers, placed at strategic locations in the forest under surveillance. Through infrared heat sensing and sophisticated data algorithms, these robots can detect a fire that is 1 meter by 2 meters in size, essentially the size of a single tree, at a distance of up to 5 kilometers within 5 minutes. Compare that to satellite detection, which requires the fire to be 100 meters by 100 meters to be detected and can take up to 3 hours for detection, assuming there's no cloud cover. Fighting a fire 100 meters by 100 meters takes considerably more resources and is much riskier to suppress. The Insight robots know how to identify a fire and to learn what is not a fire, thereby reducing false alarms. They communicate with Insight Globe, the user interface computer at the Forestry Center control room, via the cloud. Fire management personnel can access the robot's information at any time. When a robot identifies a fire, it will send an alert to the control center and an SMS to the user's mobile device. It will also give the precise location of the fire using our patent-pending Geographic Information Systems technology. Because the control center can identify a small fire sooner, they know exactly where to deploy a response team, and the response time is dramatically reduced. Insight Globe, the user interface that enables the user to have full visibility of the forest, also incorporates weather and other types of data to help fire management personnel detect and prevent forest fires. We are in the process of integrating further data and intelligence for fire spread modeling and firefighting strategies. Our goal is to fully integrate with a comprehensive forest management solution that will enable management personnel to proactively manage forests in a way that will maximize its resources and minimize the risk of fire and other disasters. The Insight Robotics solution is a truly disruptive technology. Our unmanned watchtower is much more effective than any other technology available today, and at a much better price. Our autonomous robots monitor the forest 24 hours per day, 7 days per week to keep us safe. They use sophisticated algorithms to process lots of data and turn it into important intelligence so that we can respond faster to fire risk. Insight Robotics has 3 patents pending for our detection and location technologies, and we continue to look for opportunities to further integrate this intelligence into decision support systems for forestry management and other applications. Insight Robotics sources its data collection vehicles and sensors from third-party hardware suppliers. We use proprietary sophisticated algorithms and artificial intelligence to maximize the performance of the hardware to collect the raw data needed for processing. Our primary value add is processing that data and presenting the information in a context that is meaningful to the end user. We work with systems integrators for installations, but more importantly, for integration with the end user's overall technology solution. We have a great team at Insight Robotics. The management team comprises of proven entrepreneurs, sales managers with global experience, and practical technologists. The core team is supported by investors and advisors providing value across diverse businesses and technologies, including a global network of contacts. Thank you for the opportunity to present to you. We welcome your questions and feedback about our company, Insight Robotics, where we are saving the world bit by bit, grid by grid.